What's up, you all? And as requested, Mr. Michael Paynter, acoustic cover of Latch by Disclosure. I love the original song, so let's get right on it. I really do love the original. Dope that he can play for himself. Let me just say that. Come on, his tone is so smooth. He's well connected too. Well connected is octave. He's got great diction too. Whoa, the resonance and the projection up there is fire. Come on. I like how he's suspended there, brother. That was a little pitchy there. Come on. Man. Woo. The youthfulness that sing. Good switch right there. Dope. That man is incredible when he hits that higher register of his. Incredible. It's like a completely different person. The tone is complete. The colors are completely different. You can tell his voice just wants to soar. Like his natural placement is higher up. It's so bright up there. It's so resonant and full and powerful and just brightness, and just crystal clear. Man, that's like a completely different person up there. Absolutely incredible. I would love to hear more from him, and particularly a song that showcases even more of more range. Because I would like to hear more. I feel like I've just scratched the surface of what he can do when he hits those higher notes. Because it's just like I said, his voice just opens up there. Just incredibly bright and powerful. And the runs were super sharp too. Y'all know I focus on them runs just to see how that sharp they are. I mean, just incredibly sharp, incredible accuracy, good placement too, and just he's just very well connected throughout his range. Very well connected. The way he ascended, up and transitioned at certain times into that, like it sounded like sort of a masked head voice at certain times, or a very heady mix, very head heavy mix. Absolutely, just seamless perfection there. It was a few pitchy, one or two, I say maybe two times. It was a little pitchy, but other than that, he absolutely killed it. He's got a great lower range too. And yeah, I just mean he is so freaking bright and is toned up in the higher register though. That's where the money is. And I would like to hear more of that. So let me know. Thank you all for liking and subscribing. Please continue for more of your favorites. Peace.